You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this syndrome, this pain and swelling in the cartilage in the rib cage. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. Pronounced Tietze Syndrome. It's named after Alexander Tietze, a German physician, surgeon. Tietze, the Tietze Syndrome. How to pronounce in English? Similar pronunciation, Tietze. The Tietze Syndrome. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.